Want to skyrocket your website's trustworthiness and convert visitors into loyal customers? Let's dive into a simple method to embed Google reviews directly onto your HTML website in under 90 seconds. First, you'll need your Google Place ID. Head over to Google's Place ID Finder. I've put a link in the description for you. Type in the name of your business. Once you find your business on the map, your unique Place ID will appear below. Copy this ID. You will need this later. Great. Now let's use a free Google Reviews widget tool to create your desired HTML code. I recommend using ElfSite. On the left side, you can customize how your reviews are displayed. Experiment with layout, theme, and filter the required reviews. Once you are happy with the look of your widget, press Get Code and copy the code. Now, open the HTML file of the web page where you want to display the reviews. Paste the copied HTML code into the body section, right where you want the reviews to appear. Save your HTML file and refresh your website. You should now see your Google reviews beautifully displayed. The reviews will automatically update, ensuring your website always showcases the latest positive feedback. And that's it. A quick and easy way to boost your website's credibility and drive conversions with the power of Google reviews. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful website tips.